Hello, pure souls. Welcome to my channel. Let's see what message is coming for you today. Before I read a card, just this is a channel message for someone. Just work with angel feathers and just work with pyrite and just be aware with your friends, colleagues, college friends, school friends, whoever they are not good for your energy right now. So just leave them behind and move forward, keep moving and work with crown chakra. So just clean your crown chakra, you will able to do something better. Just do om chanting and money for you, money comes for you, maybe the dollar money comes for you. So and if you have some eye problem, just work with kind of illusionary things. So your eyeballs are uh, not in right position, so work with that kind of cards or symbols. Just look at it, and you will be okay, your eyeball will be okay. So balance is coming. Rainbow, this is the rainbow one. So rainbow is here, so balance is coming, harmony and balance also coming. And this is the butterfly card. Change is also coming because butterfly represent transformation, and maybe you are going through some kind of transformation. So pentacles, you are the star seed, your person is also a star seed, you are going to be together and you create a balance some kind. So don't be bothered, you have some kind of shaman energy or peacock energy. So just embrace it because you are going to something different. Maybe you are the uh, creator of light, or kind of thing is with you. So if you know, I'm not going deep in that energy, but this is the good and brightest energy I ever seen. So just maintaining, uh, protect yourself and just work with the rainbow symbol. And don't focus anybody anything continuously, because some kind of energy is trying to expand your energy, trying to study your energy. So don't give that uh, permission or authority to learn your energy, okay, or to change your energy. So just be balanced and work with your partner and work with yourself. So each and every single person have both divine feminine and divine masculine. So just work with that. So your partner will come soon for your for you. And father of cups, you are the you are the, what can I, diplomatic one. So I didn't read that card so much. So this is the diplomatic one and open-minded card. So just work with your open mindedness. So and be balanced and be diplomatic also, because lots of energy is trying to explore you. So don't give the chance to explore yourself, because you are here for someone, something or someone. Yeah. uh, so mountain is important for you, three of pentacles, some kind of collaboration is here, some kind of bonding is here, rainbow also here. So maybe money is important for you. If don't, so you have to come here to align your body, mind and soul. If you are interested in money, so money for you. And this is this is something you also use markaba kind of thing. If you know the real markaba is in this world, so go there and work with it. I don't know why I said like that, but there is something. But don't go anywhere which is haunting you. So just focus on money. Your alignment is coming for you. And for someone, when you achieve lots of money, your body, mind, soul will align will align with it, will align soon. So you are here to earn money, so just chase money. So your body and mind and soul will align automatically. This is the right word, automatically. So don't be bothered, just enjoy. And teamwork is important, right? Determination and focus is important. So just chase money. Your thing is coming automatically and as soon as possible. If you uh, if you know when it is coming, so it's coming soon. You never know when, but money is important for you. So just fetch money or work for money. So your thing will come, and never so you are not going to bother to achieve the alignment, your body, mind and soul. So just enjoy, just put some determination for money and some kind of money collaboration or building collaboration or business collaboration. Some kind of collaboration is here. Maybe you are the partner will help you. And if you are a business partner, this is kind of big achievement in your life. So because there is some kind of dhan yoga, some kind of big money is coming for you. So, for relaxing, you can do Om chanting. There is no need, and work with crown chakra. If you feel some kind of imbalance into your life, no, it's good. But this is for someone. If someone, okay, and time to time clean your aura, time to time clean your chakras. It helps you a lot. So, and heart chakra will clean all. You have to clean also, because uh, when you have unconditional love, so unconditional money and unconditional love also you will manifest, or you can manifest easily. So for your success, cheers, someone says. And just be open minded and diplomatic also. So this is the message for someone. I'm going to stop here. Thank you so much. Love and light. Live a happy healthy life. Thank you.